Good morning, my name is Eric Delcart and I'm Solution Consultant with Blackbox. And here on ISE 2020 we are presenting our unified KVM system. Our unified KVM system called Emerald is a KVM over IP that is capable of picking up any physical computers but also connecting straight into virtual machines. So for the operator he can just connect to any type of device he needs to do or needs to have visualization for. The Emerald is a complete family, starting off with a 0U dongle, so you don't need rack space as a transmitter, but we also have the standard transmitters in single head and dual head on Full HD, and we have the 4K transmitters that will give you a 4K 10-bit color quality for any application that would need to. We also have a software receiver called the remote app, and that gives you a full software version that will run on any Windows 10 computer. So you could basically connect to all the systems out of any Windows 10 machine or any location that is inside your network. Because of its a low bandwidth solution on the Full HDs, you're even capable of using one connections and getting all these content straight into the place you're working in. And of course it will be with low latency, and well, we always prioritize keyboard and mouse to give you the best efficiency and the best performance even over longer distances. So everything is managed by the Boxilla, which is the management application, and of course we're happy to tell you more, and please pay us a visit, or if you want to have more information you can visit us at www.blackbox.com. Thank you.